So the Scrum Master role is similar to any other Agile framework, and the role of the Scrum Master is about being the coach for the team and also helping the team to adopt safe and lean and agile ways of working to the best they can. It also plays a role to say, how does this team, if you like, coordinate, syncs up with all the other teams within the Agile release train? How do we share learnings? How do we know how the solution as a whole is incrementing? And if there are any impediments, how do we that are beyond the team? How do we raise it with a wider Agile release train and resolve those? So simply a team and an organization coach, if you like.